Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a huge milestone that feels impossible for so many people, earning your very first $1,000 online. It sounds like a mountain, I know. You see all these gurus flashing cash, talking about six-figure months, and it just makes the goal feel even further away. But I'm here to tell you, it's not. That first 1,000 is the hardest, but it's also the most important. It's the proof of concept. It is the spark that shows you this whole making money online thing is real and achievable for you. So, forget the Lambos and the mansions for a second. Let's get real and practical. We're going to break down the exact mindset, strategies, and steps you can take to hit that first $1,000 goal. This isn't about some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about building a foundation. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap. First things first, let's talk about mindset. You have to shift from being a passive consumer to an active producer. Stop just scrolling and start creating. Stop just buying and start selling. Your first $1,000 will come from providing value to someone else. It's a simple transaction. You solve a problem, and someone pays you for the solution. The biggest mental block is perfectionism. Wrong. Perfection is the enemy of progress. Your first attempt will likely be clumsy, and that's okay. My first website was terrible, but it got the job done. The goal right now isn't to build a flawless, multi-million-dollar empire. The goal is to make $1, then 10, then 100. Embrace the idea of good enough for now. Now for the fun part, the strategies, they are service-based, product-based, and audience-based. Let's break them down. The fastest path for most beginners is a service-based model. Why? The core idea is simple. Find something you're good at, or can learn to be good at. What skills are we talking about? Literally anything. Are you a good writer? Offer freelance writing or editing. Know your way around social media. Other high-demand skills include video editing, transcription, data entry, and even things like online tutoring or music lessons. Don't think you have any skills? That's a limiting belief. First, I guarantee you have skills you're underestimating. Second, you can learn a high-income skill for free. Spend a solid weekend learning the basics of copywriting, SEO, or social media marketing. You don't need to be the world's leading experts. So, how do you find these clients? Post on your personal Facebook or LinkedIn. Let people know you're offering these services. You'd be amazed at how many opportunities can come from friends, family, or former colleagues. Next, join online communities where your ideal clients hang out. Think Facebook groups for small business owners, Reddit subreddits, or specific forums. Don't just spam your services. Engage, offer helpful advice for free, and build relationships. Finally, get on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Yes, they can be competitive. Create a compelling profile that highlights the problems you solve, not just the tasks you do. Instead of I write blog posts, say I write engaging blog posts that help businesses attract more customers. Price yourself competitively at the start to get those first reviews, then raise your rates as you gain experience. If you land just 2 clients paying you $500 for a project, or 5 clients paying you $200, boom. Okay, let's move on to pathway number 2. The product-based model. This route can take a bit more setup, but has incredible scaling potential because you're not trading your time directly for money. Let's start with physical products. Go to garage sales, thrift stores, or clearance aisles at big box retailers. Use your phone to look up what items are selling for on eBay, Facebook, Marketplace, or you'll start to recognize what has good resale value. Things like brand name, clothing, vintage electronics, collectibles, or even textbooks. Your goal is to find items with a significant markup. Manage your shipping costs, take good photos, and write clear descriptions. Your first 1,000 could be made from a few dozen successful flips. Another physical product model is dropshipping or print. With dropshipping, you set up an online store, but you don't hold any inventory. When a customer buys from you, you order the product from a third-party supplier who ships it directly to the customer. With print on demand, you create designs for things like t-shirts, mugs, or posters. When someone orders, a company like Printful or Printify prints your design on the product and ships it for you. Both models remove the risk of buying a ton of inventory upfront. The key here is finding a niche you're really passionate about and marketing it effectively through social media ads or content. Now, what about digital products? Once you create it, you can sell it an infinite number of times. A digital product can be anything from a template, a preset for photo editing, a short online course, or even a spreadsheet. Think about a problem you've solved for yourself. Did you create a great budget spreadsheet? Clean it up and sell it on Etsy for $5. Are you an expert at meal prepping? The key to selling digital products is to solve a very specific problem for a very specific audience. You don't need to create a massive, all-encompassing course. If you sell a $10 template and get 100 people to buy it, you've hit your $1,000 goal. Finally, we have the third pathway, the audience-based model. This is where you build a following around a specific topic or niche on a platform like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or a blog. You provide free, valuable content consistently to build trust and community. Once you have an engaged audience, even a small one, you can monetize it in several ways. The most direct way is through affiliate marketing. You recommend products or services you genuinely use and love, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. For example, if you have a YouTube channel about coffee, you can be an affiliate for your favorite coffee grinder, beans, or espresso machine. Amazon Associates is the easiest program to get started with. You can also sell your own services or products directly to your audience. You can start a blog about freelance writing, build an audience, and then sell a service offering to write for others. Or start a TikTok about thrifting, build a following, and then sell the clothes you find on Poshmark. Start it because you're genuinely interested in the topic. Your first $1,000 might come from a combination of a few affiliate sales, a small sponsorship, and selling a simple digital product to your followers. So, let's recap the three pathways: service, product, and audience. Which one should you choose? My advice is to pick one. Don't try to do all three at once. If you love creating content and are in it for the long haul, start building an audience. No matter which path you choose, the formula is the same. Identify a problem, create a solution, whether it's a service or a product. Your action step for today is this. Pick one strategy we talked about. If it's freelance writing, create a profile on That's it. Earning that first $1,000 is a gift. It rewires your brain and opens up a world of possibilities. It's not about the money itself. It's about the confidence and the proof that you can create value and build something for yourself. You have what it takes. You just need to begin. I hope this gave you the clarity and motivation you need to get started on your journey. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more practical guides to building your own thing online. Let me know in the comments which strategy you're going to try first. I can't wait to see you all succeed. See you in the next video.